Celebrities are known for their extravagant lifestyles, and that includes their homes. From sprawling estates to luxurious penthouses, the rich and famous never cease to amaze us with their extraordinary living spaces. But when it comes to Jim Carrey's former mansion, opulent is an understatement. This incredible property, located in the prestigious Brentwood neighborhood of Los Angeles, has just hit the market for a jaw-dropping $28,900,000. And it's a real-life wonderland that's sure to make your jaws drop. Unless you're Jim Carrey, in which case your jaw has probably already dropped enough times to justify its downsizing. The mansion boasts a whopping 10,000 square foot of living space, spreading across 2 acres of lush, manicured grounds. But what really sets this mansion apart is the fact that it's a true reflection of Jim Carrey's personality. The actor and comedian is known for his zany, over-the-top sense of humor, and that's on full display throughout the entire property. And who says you can't take your love for cartoons and turn it into a mansion?
I'm kind of a perfectionist.
From the moment you set eyes on this property, you'll know you're in for something truly special. Everywhere you turn, there's something new and exciting to discover. For example, there's a koi pond where the fish have probably seen Ace Ventura once too many times. But don't worry, there's no eye like a glove incident in this pond. There's also a movie theater, which is great for when you want to watch The Truman Show for the 500th time, or maybe you just want to host a movie marathon with all of Jim's greatest hits. Smokin'! And don't forget to invite some of your friends over so you can pretend that you're all in the same movie. The home's design is a true reflection of Jim Carrey's personality. The mansion's unique features showcase his sense of humor and his love of adventure. The home has a vibrant and playful energy with color, cartoon-inspired murals, an indoor-outdoor pool that's featured a water slide and a grotto. There's even a Batman room which features artwork and memorabilia from the Batman Forever movie. And unfortunately, Val Kilmer isn't included in the sale, but you can always pretend that he's hiding somewhere in the house.
You're hiding behind that beard.
The mansion's unique features don't stop at its decor. The property boasts an indoor basketball court, which is great for when you want to pretend that you're Michael Jordan, or for when you want to channel your inner Ace Ventura and release some pent-up energy. There's also a sauna, which is perfect for sweating out all the stress of pretending to be a penguin for 2 hours straight. Additionally, there's a sunken living room and with a fireplace, which is perfect for snuggling up with a blanket and watching the flames, or for holding your own eternal sunshine of the spotless mind.
I'd like to, take you out or something.
And of course, the real question on everyone's mind is why Jim Carrey would choose to sell such an incredible property. The answer is, it turns out it's simple. He's ready for a change. I think he made like $25 million on this house, and as much as he loves his home, he's ready to downsize and simplify his life. But that doesn't mean he's leaving behind his sense of adventure and playfulness. In fact, he said that he's excited to explore new creative projects and continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Who knows? Maybe he's planning to make an even bigger mansion and turn it into a real-life Riddler puzzle. Jim Carrey's mansion is truly one of a kind, and it's a reflection of the actor's unique personality and sense of humor, of course. It's a place where you can let your imagination run wild and embrace your playful side. While the $29 million price tag may seem steep, it's worth it for the chance to live like a comedy icon. And who knows, maybe if you're lucky, you'll find some hidden treasures that Jim Carrey left behind. After all, he did say that he always was up for a good prank. So if you're in the market for a new home and you have a love for cartoons, movie, and adventure, Jim Carrey's former mansion might just be the perfect fit for you, and who knows, maybe one day you'll even get to meet Jim Carrey himself and swap stories about your favorite movie roles. Just make sure you don't give him any ideas for his next mansion.